You'll now notice two sections, Code Mappings and Recent Mappings. Code Mappings is a bank of all the different datas and the code mappings that are available for this format. Under Recent Mappings, if the software has found that certain fields have not yet been uploaded in the past, then you'll see them here. This is a great glance at the different additional data that is in this new format that you uploaded that was not there in your previous ones. So you'll want to take note of these to see if there's any mappings that you'll need to do. For example, under our earnings codes, we see that we have our regular, and this is how it came over in the column or the header in the original file. However, we will want to export this as a earnings code 01. You'll want to consult with your payroll specialist to see if these fields are in fact the correct numbers, so they should be able to provide you that information. So once you have your fields mapped under the export, you'll also want to select what kind of type these are. So for example, our regular, this was a hours. The overtime, this was hours. And the vacation, it is actually also hours, even though we have the paid time off here. The paid time off is really referencing a balance. And then under bonus, we'll leave that as $. If your POS software automatically exports the bonus despite it being manually paid out, you can choose to exclude any hours or dollars associated with this bonus import from exporting from the payroll software. So when you go to convert your file, only regular overtime and vacation hours would be exported, the bonus would be excluded. Once you have made your changes, click the Save Changes button. You can then go into your code mappings to see a history of all the different earnings codes, employee identifier numbers, department codes that have been uploaded in the past, and you should see the appropriate fields and the mappings and selections that you had prior. Once you have made all your recent mapping changes and you have made sure that you have saved your changes, click Continue to Export.